Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a company website using Hostinger Website Builder in under 10 minutes. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, just go to Websites from the top, then click on Add Website. Select Hostinger Website Builder, then click on Start Creating. Select your website type. In my case, a company website will be business showcase. You can select between business showcase, online store, landing page, blog, portfolio, restaurant, wedding invitation, and other. I think I will go with business showcase. My brand name is Capital Contractors. For the description, as you can see, you need to describe your project or brand in few sentences. This is my website description. I want to create a website for my construction company, Capital Contractors. We specialize in building and renovating homes, offices, and industrial facilities with top-notch quality and professionalism. And paste it here. As you can see, my description was great. You can see an example of a project description. You can also personalize your colors. You have the choice to go with Surprise Me or pick your three colors. I will go with Surprise Me. After that, hit Create Website. And this is the result. I am now in the preview mode, so I can browse my website. The logo, the menu, the welcome image, a section of text with a contact button. Here I have a services section, a testimonial, photos of our work, and the footer or the bottom of the website. Let's see the services page. Here you can add some services. I will show you how to do that, how to edit your website. Let's see the projects page. View, learn, quality work, and a testimonial and a contact us page. I am satisfied with the results, especially with the little effort I've made to describe my website. After that, just click on Go Live, and let's check it in my Google Chrome browser. This Explore button should be linked with a page. Same thing with this contact us button. It should be linking to this contact page. Overall, I am satisfied with the result. This is just as I described my website or my website idea. Now to edit your website, go back to the editor, and let's say we want to edit this page. Just click on it, click on edit image, click on replace image. You can even use AI to create a unique image. I will go with replace an image, click on this free image. Now you are connected with the Unsplash service, which is known for free photos. I will construction, add to page. Now click on update your website to publish it online. Let's say I want to play with, for example, placing services after projects. To do that, just go to pages and navigation, drag and drop it like that, and hit updates. Now services is after projects. To help you understand a little bit this website editor, to add an element, just click on add elements. You can add text, you can add a button, an image, a gallery, a video. For example, let's say that you have a video that you want to place. Just put it here, make it large, click on edit video, put your YouTube video link here and click update. Now let's view our website, and this is my video. Now I want to delete this video and add for the blog. I can start it from here, go to blog and start a blog. As you can see, a blog link was added to the top menu, and this is my blog posts. I can delete them from here, and to edit them, just click on your blog post. This is the post title, description, URL, the authors and date. To add text after this photo, just click on add element, drag and drop text here, and make it paragraph 1, and you can write as you want. Now let's play with integrations. You can connect Google Analytics easily from here. If you have a custom code that you want to add in the header, for example, you can paste it here. Hotjar is a very useful tool with a free trial or a free plan. The free plan of Hotjar lets you capture video sessions of your website visitors. It also gives you heat maps in order to know where your visitors are clicking a lot. Let's update my website. Let's view my site. As you can see, my blog section is added here, and this is my blog post. I want to test the loading speed because I know that the loading speed of websites built using Hostinger Website Builder most of the time fast to load. I will use a tool called Pingdom. Let's paste my link here and click Start Test. As you can see, I got an A performance grade, which is good, a loading time of 1 second and 66, which is very good. Google recommends a loading time of below 2 seconds and a half. And this is how to make your company website. Why I recommend going with Hostinger Website Builder compared to Hostinger? First, because it's simple, it is secured, and it is also fast to load. It's also affordable. Let's see the cost to have an account with Hostinger. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hostinger. Using this link will definitely support me create more content like this, so thank you. And if you need any help related to Hostinger, WordPress or affiliate marketing, just contact me at ben@bensexperience.com, and of course I will help you. Now go to hosting, then web hosting. My account on Hostinger is a premium account. Click on choose plan, select the subscription duration you want to go with, 1 year, 2 years or 4 years. With the 4 years you get 2 months for free, and also the renewal price per month is cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that you can fill in your personal information, but since they are optional you can skip them. Make sure that your total is correct and fill in your credit card information. Then click on submit secure payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can select it from here. Then click submit secure payment. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like.